Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Recently, Bangalore University 5th semester BCom students, the NEP batch, they had the financial management examination conducted. So I thought that I will share the question paper with you so that you will have the idea of the structure of the question paper and it will be helpful for other universities who have financial management. So again, as usual, it was for 60 marks and the duration was 2.5 hours. So three sections were there. So in section A, it is actually 2 marks questions. So they had asked around nine, I think 8 questions they had asked. So out of 8 questions, 6 questions they should have answered. Each question carried 2 marks. So the questions were actually as follows. So the first that asked about what is doubling period. So this doubling period comes under time value of money. Next, that asks a simple problem. If sales is 8 lakh and contribution is 6 lakh, what is the variable cost? It is very simple. They have to minus sales minus contribution. That is 8 lakh minus 6 lakh. They will get answer 2 lakh. Like this problem I have explained to you in my videos. Next, what is the accept and reject criteria in the NPV? Net present value. What is the accept and reject criteria that asked? Mention any 4 factors influencing working capital. So this comes under, I think, last chapter, working capital management chapter, this comes. Next, mention the techniques to calculate time value of money. We have discounted technique, non-discounted technique. So all those things comes here. Then what is wealth maximization? This is from the first chapter. What is wealth maximization? I've explained. And what is meant by financial mix? Financial mix is nothing but the amount of debt and equity that you can have. That is the financial mix. Then they had given the investment, that is 20,000. Salvage value was 15%. Additional working capital they had given. We need to calculate average investment. The formula to calculate the average investment is original investment minus salvage value divided by 2 plus working capital, additional working capital plus salvage value. If you apply the formula and calculate, you will get the answer. This was also very easy question. So two problem type they had asked in the section A. Next, section B. Section B question also. Totally they had asked 5 questions. Out of that, 3 questions you were supposed to answer and each question carried 4 marks. So in this 2 problems they had asked, 2 problems were there and 3 theory they had asked. 2 problem ಮತ್ತೆ 3 theory ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು section B ಇಂದ. So they had asked different methods of investment evaluation. What are the different methods of investment evaluation they had asked? That is discounting method and non-discounting method or traditional method. Next is scope of financial management. I have explained you in my first chapter videos. This is from the first chapter. Next, they had asked a problem on future value. This type of problems also I have solved, and in that they had asked beginning of each year. So beginning of each year invest ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Calculate the 3 type of leverages: operating leverage, financial leverage and combined leverage. This problem also I had solved in my videos. Next, they had asked what are the advantages of having adequate working capital. That also they had asked. Next section C. Section C also all questions were very easy. Total 5 questions they had asked. In that 3 questions you were supposed to solve. So in that 3 problems they had given and 2 theory questions they had asked in section C. So first they had asked the characteristics of a sound financial plan. What is the characteristics of sound financial plan they had asked. Next, the sources of working capital. From what and all sources you can get working capital they had asked. Then what is the functions of financial manager they had asked. For the theory, only these 2 questions were there for theory. Next, 3 questions they had asked. 3 questions. So from financing decision, 2 practical questions they had asked problems. Next, from investment decision, 1 problem they had asked. Financial decisions in the 2 problem ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು, investment decision in the 1 problem ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. So from financial decision they had asked 1 problem, that is to calculate EPS. So they had given the balance sheet of the company and they had given sales turnover ratio. Using this we have to calculate the EPS first. The normal next step, we have to check whether what will be the EBIT if EPS is 2, what will be the EBIT if EPS is 3, what will be the EBIT if EPS is 4, and what will be the EBIT if EPS is 5. That we had supposed to check. Next, from investment decision, they had asked to calculate only net present value. So in that they had given earnings after tax ಅಂದರೆ CFAD 80. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಪ್ರಿಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೆ CFBD 80 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. CFBD 80. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ CFBD 80 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೇನು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 10% ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ರೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಅವರೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಅದನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಎ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು NPVಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಸಮ್. Section C they had asked this particular problem. Next, one more from financing decision they had asked, very easy problem. To calculate the EPS, they had given EBIT and 4 plans they had given. First plan was all debentures, second plan was all equity, third case was equity plus debenture, fourth one was equity plus preference shares. They had even given the tax rate also. All information they had given, direct information. We had to just calculate the EPS. This was very easy question it was. So for those who are writing in Kannada medium, same section A questions are this. You can take the screenshot. This is the section A questions and section B questions. These are all the section B questions from question number 2 to question number 6. And this is a 2 theory section C questions. ಇದು theory questions ಆಗಿತ್ತು section C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆರಡು. Practical questions ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. So this was also practical question. ಇದು ಫಿನಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ 4th ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್. NPV ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬಂದು ಅಗೇನ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಈಸಿ ಪೇಪರ್. And let me know in the comment box how you people did the subject, how did you attend the examination, was it very good for you, and please post in the comment box if my videos were helpful for you.